Hey friends, if you encounter the attempted write to read only memory blue screen of death error on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So the first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to update all drivers. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab, select Advanced Options, select Optional Updates, and then you can update all the drivers from here. Once this is done, return to the Windows Update tab and click on Check for Updates. The last solution is check for malware. So, here's what you have to do, you have to run the malware scan, search for MRT, and then go to MRT. Okay, and then click on next, select full scan, click on next, and it will start scanning. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.